So here's a quick tutorial on how to move in Blender easily. So first of all, we will open up the Blender application on our PC. After that, we will open the default project. And as you can see, we have the default view right here. So in order to move it around, what you need to do is click the middle button on your mouse and drag it around to rotate your subject. So this way, you can rotate your subject from top to bottom or left to right. Then to zoom in like this, just rotate your scroller on your mouse up and down. This way, you can easily zoom in and zoom out. And lastly, in order to move in pan, you can press Shift and click the middle button on your mouse and move it around from left to right or top to bottom. So these are the ways you can easily move in Blender. If you still have confusions, click on View from the top panel on the left, and then go to Navigation over here. After that, you will be able to see all the controls right here. So if you're still confused, just select these options and then you can move around. So that is how to move in Blender easily. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.